welcome to Laundry Day. Do you want a super cool hack to do your laundry while you're RVing? An IKEA bag. You can fit your whole laundry in here, including all your soaps. I highly recommend it. And it's easy to carry. Hey, super cool RV hack number what I want it to be. IKEA bags. For your laundry, it is a must. You can carry everything. It is big. They're super cheap at IKEA and you can fold them over to minimize the usage of space in your RV. I recommend it.